George Harris took advantage of it to go after some shell crackers on the Savannah.
That's right. We knew that they were not coming, so that was the reason I came down here this morning.
Because you knew the boats wouldn't
The boats weren't coming.
Drag boats, that is, the Augusta Southern Nationals. Fast boats. In the past, really fast. It's what Derek McDuffie and his father Tommy wanted to see. They drove in from Jones County for the drag boat races.
So you came over and you got here today all fired up. Now how do you feel?
Pretty let down.
For about 30 years, the third weekend in July meant the drag boat races, providing a fix for those who wanted to see the fast boats. So now what are you going to do? The race has been canceled. You got the pontoon boat back here. Hey, Captain, punch it. Remember the McDuffies came all the way from Jones County. Hey, George, get in your boat and give them a show.
This boat over here, is that going to be good enough to watch him go? He might hit,
I think I got one at the house can outrun here.
They wanted to see some boats going fast.
Right.
How about your baby?
Oh, my boat, it flies, man. It flies at 2 miles an hour.
They wanted to see a lot of speed on the Savannah. Instead, we got this. The towing of a disabled jet ski. Hey, at least that's something. Out there somewhere in Augusta, George Escala, WJBF, News Channel 6.